Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name's Vicki and I'm so glad you decided to stop by today. Today I am going to be throwing together a little simple recipe. It's not really a recipe, honestly, it's just something I made up. We have had massive flooding again in eastern Kentucky. You know, in 2022 I shared some videos. If you want to check those out, I'll link them down below. And this wasn't as bad. Pike County got it worse than Letcher County this time, but we still had a lot of flooding. We have massive mudslides from it, a lot of trees down, power outages, things of that sort. And even last night, we didn't get much sleep. We've had a lot of trees to fall next to us at my brother-in-law's home. And we've had some massive mudslides that people have lost their homes completely. So keep us in your prayers, please. But we've had some power outages. We've had one, ours was off one night for like 14 hours and then another day for a couple hours. But anyway, that's simple based on what everybody else is dealing with. We can always be thankful for our own issues, right? But I wanted to try to use up what I had in the fridge. Me and Chad are getting ready to go grocery shopping. And I hate for food to go to waste. I grew up very hard and I do not like food to go to waste. So I had some stuff in the fridge I wanted to use up. So I'm throwing together a breakfast casserole. And you all, it is just stuff that I had. An onion, some bell peppers, some hash browns, some cooked sausage I'd fixed from a meal prepping video for Grammy's school. I'll link that down below as well. I'm using some egg whites or egg beaters that I had left I needed to use up. So I'm using all of those things. But this is going to come together really quick and really easy, and I think it's going to be delicious. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do that as well. Thank you for watching. God bless. I'll talk to you the next time. Hello, sweet friends. Today I am making a breakfast casserole, and I'm just using some things that I had, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing. I've got some sausage patties here that I prepped for breakfast for meal prep for Grammy's school. I've got some egg beaters I need to use, some hash browns I need to use. I've got some little sweet peppers I need to use. I'm going to saute an onion up, and I've got some Mexican cheese, which I've got Mexican or mozzarella, and I'm going to use this because it's what I've got. But I was going to tell you the reason I'm doing this is we had another flood here where we live, and I'm going to use some baking drippings that I have. I think that'll make a really good flavor. We had another flood here where we live, and it's been awful. And we've lost power twice, and it's been a mess. So anyway, we lost power for 14 hours. I think our food, we didn't have a ton in the fridge, but we did have some in the freezer. But I'm going to try to use up what I've got because I don't want it to go bad. And food is so stinking expensive. And I thought last night, I'm going to make a breakfast casserole with those leftovers. So that's what I'm going to do. And actually, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up this onion and peppers to use and get them sauteing. Let's see. But we have had a mess. It's been awful. We are okay, but a lot of people did get flooded. It's not as bad as the flood in 2022, but it's pretty bad. We did not have school today. I don't think we'll have it all week, to be honest, because there's a lot of landslides, a lot of trees down, a lot of power still off. And we're supposed to get 4 to 8 inches of snow on Wednesday. So that's not going to help anybody, is it? So, anyway, I think that sauteing these veggies up and adding them will give it a good flavor. So, woo! Did you see that? I about got my finger. I told you I'm terrible at chopping. I about got my finger. Did you see it? That's scary. I try to do it safe, but I tell you, I struggle with these knives. I'm not very good at it. And knives make me nervous anyway. I have a phobia of them. I don't like them. I had a beautiful knife set when we got married as a wedding gift from a friend, and I gave it away, I think, because I was afraid of it. It made me nervous looking at it. It was one of those that came with a block and had all these knives on it. All these things, and it made me too nervous. And now that I've got grandbabies, I sure wouldn't leave it out. So this is my chef knife from Pampered Chef, and I leave it up in a cabinet really high. There's no way they could get to it. And also, I don't use it often, and it's out of sight, so it doesn't bother me as bad. But yeah, but I'm going to go ahead and get these chopped up. And they smell good. I love to put, I have a few pieces here. I love to put onions and peppers, garlic together and saute. It smells so good. Now, I'm going to take some of these sweet peppers. These are so good. I love these. Let's do some yellow, some red, and orange. Do a little bit of all of them. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add our peppers. Let's throw them in. And go ahead and dice up my sausage that I had fixed in the freezer. I'm not a huge sausage person. Chad loves sausage. I'm just not a huge sausage eater. It smells really good. Do you all like breakfast casseroles? What do you like in yours? I typically would use bacon, but I used all my bacon this week. My granddaughters love bacon, and I bought a pound. It was like the store brand bacon, and it actually did not have much. It wasn't very lean, is what I was going to say. So I'm going to go ahead and add my shredded hash browns. That way we can just get them warmed up in here. They had been in the freezer, and I put them in the fridge to thaw out. And just warm them up. That way. This smells so good. I think it's going to be really good too. smelling good. And real good. All right. I'm going to go ahead and add this to the pan. This pan might be too big. I had this pan out. Should I keep it in this one? Should I? I think so. I'm going to shake up my egg whites and I'm going to go ahead and add my egg whites, or not egg whites, eggs, not just egg whites. It's egg beaters with real egg whites. And then I'm going to add most of my cheese, and then we'll leave some to put on top. And okay, now we're going to just pour this right over top. Yeah, that's not going to be enough for all of it, so I'm going to add some more eggs. I don't have any more egg whites, but we'll go ahead and add a little bit more eggs. Well, this might be enough, actually. I think so. I think it might be. After I shook it up and stirred it up, I think it'll be okay. Awesome. And now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle the rest of our cheese right on the top of it. Okay. And I think I'm going to put some cracked black pepper on top. I think that'll help the taste and it'll look pretty. So that's one way to use up your leftovers to make something yummy. Make them a casserole. Breakfast casserole, dinner casserole, whatever. All right, let's put this in the oven. I've got it on 350 for 30 minutes. I'll meet you back here and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, it just came out of the oven. Look at this. Let me get a picture. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm going to get a piece of it and try it. And I think it's going to be really good. Okay. Smells really, really good. I'll try it. That look good. That's delicious. Really good. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Use your leftovers. Use up things you have left in your fridge or your freezer. Don't let them go bad. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. A breakfast casserole and some toast. And it's going to be delicious and very filling and comforting. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and hang out with me. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Bye. Those That breakfast casserole was absolutely delicious. Chad and I had it for dinner. I forgot to tell you all that. I made it for dinner because it's what I had and I did not want to waste it, like I said. And I just made some toast with it and it was really good. And I had some Mexican cheese I added to it. I forgot that too. But it was so good. Very filling, and it was delicious and very comforting. So use what you have. Don't let things go to waste if you can help it. So I'm glad that I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hang out with me some more. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. God bless. Bye.